Hello gurus, welcome to another episode. I hope you're having a beautiful day. Bitcoin still holding 30,000, which is amazing. We're going to jump into the charts for Bitcoin and Ethereum. Hit the subscribe button, join 78,000 people, smash that thumbs up button. Let's jump into the technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going to technicals, and you can see Bitcoin has been holding, it held this bottom down here at 16,000. We had this big run up in 2021, 69k, big drop to 16,000, 15,500 in recovery. You can see where we're sitting right now is a heavy area of resistance, but the actual strong resistance is not until 34k. Another thing to see is volume predicts price, and you can see that Bitcoin last month had all-time high volume, the highest one of the highest volume months ever before of Bitcoin, and the last 8 months have been the highest, almost double the 2021 bull market. Volume predicts price. Always remember this. Weekly RSI is overbought, heading still up. We're still showing this big inverse head and shoulders on the weekly as well. This big inverse head and shoulders that if it plays out we've got something like this taking us back to 35k. I think 35k, what I said from 16k, is still the target. 35k if you followed my videos. On the Elliott wave count, I still think we're in that third wave. This was the first wave correction, and I still think we're in that third wave right now, which should be taking us to 32k. We broke out of this bull flag, this bullish kind of pennant or bull flag. We broke this rising rising triangle. We broke to the upside. The target of that triangle, the base of the triangle, this distance here is still targeting 31k. Now again, 32k and 35k are the very strong resistance areas. We've entered the area of resistance. If we zoom out, you can see now that we've actually entered the area of resistance. Let's see if it loads. On the weekly, you can see on the weekly we've entered this area of resistance, which started at 28k. You can see back here that was heavy resistance, 28 to 32,000, and same here, 28 to 32,000. These were heavy areas of resistance, and this is where we've entered now. 32k is the strong area of resistance, and the next stop after that is 35k. So I would be just cautious going long here, but I still think we're not pulling back much, which is interesting. The long that I would take on Bitcoin is still the same setup from yesterday. I would expect a little bit of a pullback and then go long. On this setup here, I would put the support under the daily and stop loss just underneath. This is the trade that I would take on Bitcoin. Still, I would activate this trade. The RSI on the 4 hourly is super overbought now, but it's still heading up and volume still coming in. On the 15-minute midway, heading up, holding pretty much exactly when we hit that resistance. On the hourly, RSI is not overbought anymore, heading up with volume, but I still think a bit of a pullback and then going long. This trade is where I would take. Opening the trade at 29,640, stop loss 29,427, take profit at 34,873, risking $212 to make $5,200 without leverage. With 10x leverage, $52,000 of profits. That's the trade that I will take. I'll share this in the Telegram as well. I'll share this screenshot in the Telegram. That's the trade that I would take on Bitcoin. If you want to trade Bitcoin, underneath the video in the description and pin comment, you go down below, you sign up to Bybit, partner.bybit.com, this link down below, go down below, sign up to Bybit, and you get $30,000 worth of bonuses when you use this link to sign up. And Bybit is the main exchange I use for trading. It's the second biggest derivatives volume exchange. So it's the second biggest exchange in the world for trading and my personal favorite. The link is down below. So you go down below, click sign up to Bybit, sign up, and you get $30,000 bonuses when you meet their trading requirements. You can also join the free Telegram. So under the video, if you go down below, you can also join take the crypto master course where you learn technical analysis, how to set up your charts, how to open those bots, and you can join the free Telegram alerts group. Almost 8,000 people in there discussing every day. And that's my trade on Bitcoin. And you can see some of my students' gains inside that Telegram. This one, 307% on your call, James. I must say you're a crypto guru. Thank you so much. This student made $2,400 unrealized. This student made 86%. This student 307%. This student 500%. These are some of the gains of the students, which is beautiful. And once you sign up to Bybit, this is my trade. I've got a Bitcoin trade open, $23,236 in the profits, 311%, 2.98 Bitcoin in that's on that trade. $23,000 in the profits, and in this account I have 278,000 up in the last month, probably around $88,000, which is beautiful. In here, I've got 4 Bitcoin, $122,000 worth. I've got 12 million MCRT, $40,000 worth. I've got $22,000 worth of TON, $22,000 of FXS, $8,400 of Uniswap pumping a bit. That's what I'm holding on that trading account. Let's quickly go into Ethereum now. And the market pretty much even yesterday. Coinbase up a lot. Bitcoin, BNB was up a lot. BNB pumped actually. Outside of from our trade entry, let's see how it did. From our trade entry, BNB pumped, which is beautiful. Big movement. It didn't activate actually on that trade, that last trade, but the one before we did. We're at heavy resistance for BNB, but it looks like it's breaking out from a very big bottoming formation. 1 touch, 2 touch, large bottoming formation on BNB. I think it's ready to go. BNB actually, I would go long here with the target of a big one, 645. I would open a long on BNB here. From the weekly, stop loss just underneath this support and take profit at the overall target of this big downtrend, $644 on BNB. That's where the BNB trade I will take. Let's look at Ethereum. Going into Ethereum, 1,891. Loading Ethereum. Let me turn off Wi-Fi. So now we're loading up Ethereum. Let's see if it loads. Loading Ethereum on the charts. Okay, Ethereum's not chart loading, so I'll do it in the next video. So again, if you want to trade, underneath this video in the description, go down below, sign up to Bybit using that link. $30,000 worth of bonuses, and join the free Crypto Guru Telegram group where you can talk to 8,000 other students. Those are my updates on BNB and Bitcoin. In the next video, I will do Ethereum. Love you all. Congratulations, anyone who's been buying Bitcoin and altcoins with me from 16,500. We made millions of dollars. Some of the gains that I've had over the last weeks have been crazy. I'll show you some of the gains. On this day, $47,000 profits. On this, I'm just going to show you some of this student made profit $34,000 of profits. This is one of the students in the Telegram group. This student 166%. This is one of my gains, 6,700 this day, 167,000 plus this day, 1.1 million. Buying the bottom is beautiful. So just big congratulations to all of you. Thank you for watching. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.